Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to use Business Assistant in WhatsApp and we are using WhatsApp Business. So click on Business Assistant icon. So click on it. Now you see Business Assistant name and then you see different queries. So you can add your message. So we are going to click on Imagine a customer celebrating their purchase. So click on it. Ask Meta AI Business Assistant. So click on continue. Now you see Meta AI created image customer celebrating their purchase. Now you see messages are generated by Meta AI Business Assistant. So we added this instruction send. Now you see image generated by Meta AI. So you can use Business Assistant in WhatsApp using Meta AI. So you can use this Business Assistant according to your requirement. Now you see we generate code for website. So this is our HTML code, CSS, JavaScript. This code provide a basic structure for a tourism website with the hero section. So you can use this Business Assistant Meta AI according to your requirement. So you can enhance your skills, communication, anything. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.